3 things to know before buying summer tyres. 1. Which tyres does your car manufacturer recommend? You can find information on which tyres are suitable in the car's owner manual. If you don't have it to hand, you can also find this information on a special panel on the driver's door sill or the B-pillar. The vehicle manufacturer allows several tyre sizes depending on the diameter of the wheel rims used. Tyres with the wrong specifications can reduce or increase vehicle ground clearance, alter the vehicle's centre of gravity, impair the dynamics, and increase fuel consumption. Unsuitable tyres can also rub against the car body during use. 2. What are the basic specifications of tyres? The key specifications of any tyre are width, height, and diameter. There are also a number of equally important specifications. Speed rating. This is the maximum permitted speed at which a correctly inflated tyre can be operated. The standard speed ratings are T, 190 km per hour, and H, 210 km per hour. For high speeds, V, 240 km per hour, W, 270 km per hour, and Y, 300 km per hour are used. You should think practically when making a choice. There's no point equipping a budget compact car with expensive 300 km per hour rated tyres. Load index. The load index indicates the tyre's maximum load capacity and is represented by a 2 or 3-digit number. This rating can be standard or high, XL. For example, for an identical size, 91 means the tyre can carry a load of 615 kilograms, 94 a load of 670 kilograms, 110 a load of 1060 kilograms, and 112 a load of 1120 kilograms. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Wet grip index. The tyre's wet grip performance is assessed by a range of grades from A to E, where A is the best rating. The better the rating, the quicker the vehicle can brake on wet roads. Fuel efficiency index. This is divided into classes, where A indicates maximum fuel economy and E indicates the worst. The higher the tyre class, the less energy is required to roll them, and the lower their fuel consumption. Noise index. Another criteria to consider when choosing tyres is the rolling noise level. This is measured in decibels, dB. Noise between 67 and 71 dB is considered low, while 72 to 77 dB is high. There are only 3 classes, A, B, and C. In fact, an increase of 3 dB doubles the noise level from the tyres. 3. Types of tyre tread patterns. All tyre tread patterns are divided into 2 main types. Symmetrical, where both halves of the tread pattern are symmetrical. Asymmetrical, where half of the tread pattern has a different pattern. In addition, tyres are divided into directional and non-directional. Directional tyres are fitted in accordance with the intended direction of rotation or to a specific side on the vehicle. Non-directional tyres only have markings indicating the inside and the outside, e.g. inside/outside.